Welcome back to Mr.YouWho, and I'm really excited to have you back with us today. Now, why I'm so excited is we're doing a review today of the Mini Focus Watch. Now, in this Mini Focus Watch review, we'll be diving in and having a look at the Mini Focus Watch, see what the quality's like, the functionality, how good it looks, and most importantly, whether Mr.YouWho would buy it. Now, why I'm excited about doing a Mini Focus Watch review is we've actually started Mr.YouWho with a review of the Liege watch all those many years ago. And the review went really well. And a lot of subscribers have been asking about the Mini Focus Watch. So what we thought we'd do is jump in, have a look at it. We'll be looking at 3 of the key Mini Focus watches today and kind of diving into and having a look at them. So anyway, let's jump right into it now. And as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to purchase as well, we'll have links below if you love this watch. But anyway, let's jump into it now at Mr.YouWho. Well, so what watches we'll be looking at today in a Mini Focus Watch review? So we'll be looking at 3 watches. The first one is the MF0089, which is a metal band chronograph sports watch, which is one of the most popular watches that Mini Focus have. The second one is the MF0349G, which is a silicon band chronograph watch. You can also see that here as well. And the third watch we'll be looking at is the MF0018G, which is a men's slim mesh band watch, which you can also see here as well. As you can see, they look like quite good watches, and Mini Focus also had some really good reviews online regarding their watches. Now this also builds on our other reviews of the Liege watch, the Smile watch, and the current watches we've done in the past. And what we've found is with the Chinese watch brands, they're actually quite good quality. Now you're not paying the earth for them, but what you're getting is good quality, good workmanship, and they generally tend to last a long time as well. Liege watches, for example, is probably our favourite watch brand. And a lot of subscribers come to us and said they've had the watches for 3 or 4 years and never had any issues with them, which is quite great. But anyway, today's not about the Liege watch, today's about the Mini Focus watch. So Mini Focus watch themselves are a brand based in China, similar to the other watches we've spoken about. Although I have seen their designs in a number of other watches as well, I've seen online. So whether they share the IP or share the watch design, I'm not too sure. But so what we might do is let's just jump in and have a look at the first watch. I know you guys are really excited. The MF0089. So let's jump in and have a look at it now. Okay. Now here we are with the MF089, and as you can see, it's a very lovely looking watch. I love the silicone strap and the metal bits inlaid within it. And you've got the 3 dials on there, which I think look really good, plus a main clock keeping dial. So the 3 dials keep the minutes, the seconds, and the 1/10 second. It also comes with a hardened case and quartz Japanese watch as well. Now you can see how the light shines off there. It's really nice. And also it comes in a variety of different colours, the green, the blue, the red, which I really like. Keeps really well, comfortable watch, and really nice. And it's accurate to at least 1 second a day as well. So yeah, great watch, really nice. Now as you can see, it's a really, really nice watch. Very, very stylish. Very, very popular, and that's also reflected across the Amazon reviews. So Amazon has had 1,040 4.5-star reviews for it, with a lot of people saying great quality, looks a lot nicer than what you think for the price, and great luxury. So and also some people who bought it from Mr.YouWho as well have also said that as well. It's a top quality watch. So yeah, we really recommend you have a look at it and yeah, purchase it. Great one. Just be careful though, it's not waterproof. It does say it's water resistant, so don't jump into the water while you're using it. Some people said it does work well, but just be careful in the shower. So the next watch we're going to look at is the MF0349. Again, love the look of this watch, and let's dive in now. MF0349G, again a lovely watch with the 3 dials at the front, with the minute, the chronograph second, and the 1/10 second. It's also got the calendar on there as well. As you can see, it's a really nice silicone band, very stylish. I love the blue and the red, looks really nice as well. And there's a night light as well, it can shine up at night time. It is waterproof though, again I wouldn't be wearing it in the shower or swimming as well. And there's a great selection of different colours there, really nice watch. There you go, again a really nice looking watch, some great functions as well, and quite stylish. And we have to keep in mind the prices for these watches are quite low as well. So they're really good if you want to go and wear them and go and dress out, undress or look good when you go out. And again, this one has had really good reviews online. So Amazon has had a few hundred reviews, nearly 5-star as well. So people are enjoying these watches. So let's have a look at the next watch, the MF0018G. Now this is a slim mesh band casual watch. Not as many reviews online about this one, but I thought I'd put it in here because I really like the look and the style of it. So let's have a look at that now. Now here is the MF00818G, and what I like about this one is it's very simplistic design. It's got the metal mesh and a lovely glass face. Now it's a bit more of a traditional watch than the ones we looked at in the past. It's good for fashion, good for style, and as you can see the lovely shine comes off it, and it's a really nice workmanship. Now it's quite light on the hand as well, light on the wrist as well, if you like a bit of a lighter watch compared to the other ones we saw. And the metal band is quite comfortable as well. It's quite light too, and the buckle is really good. It's a different style than compared to the band that you kind of strap in. You clip it in, and you can also adjust the size depending on how big you want it. So, and it's stainless steel band as you can see there. So yeah, lovely little band, and again it comes in a number of different colors as well, as you can see putting it on just there. Very nice. Loving a video? Want to fix some more MrYouWho? Jump on our website www.MrYouWho.com for a range of articles, reviews, blogs and products that you can have a look at. See you there. Okay. Well, there you are. I hope you loved that watch as well. Again, the reviews on the watch are positive as well. There's not a lot of reviews on this watch, so I'd say this is more of a MrYouWho wildcard watch. So buy it, test it out, see what you guys think about it. There's a lot of other mini focus watches as well. There's also ladies watches you can purchase as well. And this kind of reflects what I found with some of my other watch brands, that just because they're Chinese watches doesn't mean they're poorer quality. And some of them really stand up to the test. So I've enjoyed reviewing the mini focus watches today. So I'd say quality, it's great. You know, they are good quality watches for the price. Functionality, they've got all you need in a chronograph, watches, the date, the time. Some of them have the stopwatches calendar that you can use in there. The bands are also good. They last a long time, and they're very durable, which is what you need. So yeah, so MrYouWho, we recommend them highly. We enjoy the watches, and again, make sure you let us know if you've got any questions about the mini focus watches. Jump on, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and also share with us your thoughts about what you think about using these watches and what your experiences were. But we love the mini focus watches, and again, check out other reviews, the Liege watch, current watch, smartwatch. Have a look, let us know what you think. And it's really great to do this review and go back to where it all started with MrYouWho. So anyway, so thanks for watching us today, and again, links to purchase in the description below if you want. Thanks again for joining us here at MrYouWho.